Hi everybody, all my followers, welcome to another video. This video today is going to be rather, well, I don't know how quick it's going to be, but it's not going to be a long video hopefully. What I'm going to show you here today, I could have researched, I didn't, I might do afterwards. I don't know if anyone already did a video for this. What I'm going to show you is how to restore the maker's logos on the MaxiSys MS908P. This applies as well for the DS708. You know, I used to have that tool. The principle is the same, although on the MS908 you need to take the on the DS708 you need to take the the SD card out and do it on your laptop or on your computer. Here we can do it obviously straight on the tool. Surely this will be the same for other tools like the MS906 and other probably Autel products based on the same sort of software. This screen is here, guys, because just today I've turned it on and he had these software updates. Chrysler, GM, Honda, Toyota and Subaru. The update has been done, and what I'm going to show you now is, I haven't come off the screen yet, because if I do, obviously these updates will not show again unless there's more updates for it. But yeah, so we're going to come out. So this is your main page, and as you're going to see, if I go back to scan, as you can see, let me search for example, Toyota. The logo still in there. Lexus, which is part of Toyota. Subaru still in there. They will stay there until either you restart the tool, which we don't need to do that, or until we do the following. You press this home button, and now we'll press the open apps. We're gonna close the app, and now we're going to open the app again. And if we go back now to scan, as you're going to see straight away, some of the logos, they already changed, including Asia, including obviously Toyota, Lexus. All the updates we've done, they have already changed to this circle with this blue, black, depends on the maker, but with this sort of circle with the name inside. So how to restore this? I'm going to show you how this is done. I'm also going to explain you that in case I had the MaxiSys 908P until a couple of weeks ago, I didn't have support for example, UD. And you can see this logo is slightly different, mainly because I didn't download the right one. But if you find that there is makers that they are suddenly supported by the tool, so there's a new software for the tool, from them will come straight with this logo, won't come with the proper logo. All you need to do is go on Google and search for the logo as a PNG file. And you download the file, you put it on a folder with the right name, and the tool will load that as the logo. It's all you need to do. Is quite rather simple, to be fair with you. But I'm going to turn the computer on, and I'm going to show you anyway in a minute. But for now, I'm going to show you how to restore the logos. So let's going to take one logo, for example, and all the other ones are going to be exactly the same. No difference. So let's going to go, for example, on Asia. We have, for example, Honda and Acura here, as you can see. So what we're going to do, we're going to go home again. We're going to close the app. App closed. And we're going to open ES File Explorer. We're going to go under Scan. So this is going to be under your local SD card, which is part of the memory, obviously, of the tool. We're going to go on the scan, and the scan, you're going to search for the folder called vehicles, And now we're going to go Asia. In this case, we want to do Honda and Acura. So we're going to go on the Acura. And as you can see, you have the old logos here. And you have the new ones. And to get this done, rather simple. Select the two new ones. And just delete. Okay. Now we're going to go back. We're going to go do the Honda, which is here. Same principle. Select the two you want and delete. Job done. Okay. Now, if for any reason these ones would go missing or whatever, in my case, I would advise you to do the same. I have backups of every single logo for every single maker. So if I go here under my network, I have one of my servers already set up. I don't have network here for the tool, do I? Okay, I'll show you on the computer because my Wi-Fi is not set for this access point back here in my workshop. It's only for the main router. So yeah, it's not connected. But anyway, I'll show on the computer that I have backups for every single logo. So in case if the logo disappears, all I need to do is come here, navigate through the folders, select the logos I want, copy them, and then just paste them inside the folder I want. They are already set up with these names anyway. And that's all you need to do. Now, if we go back, we do not need to restart the tool. We close the app, is all you need to do. All we need to do now is open the app again. Let's go on the diagnostics. And if I go Asia now, was Asia? Yes. So you're going to see that Honda and Acura, they have now the correct logo. And now I'm going to do the same, obviously, for all of this. Principle is exactly the same, as I said. And to download logos, I'm going to show you now how that's done. I know for sure I've done for this one. I've done for this one as well. I think it doesn't come from a factory. Autel never supplied this logo for Hino, I think is how you pronounce Hino. And there's more. I know there's more because I've done them. No, not Cherry. Bike Motors, I think, maybe. Brilliance, I remember doing this one, for sure. That one as well. I remember downloading this one, I think. And Autel MaxiSys as well. I don't think that one never came up. And as you can see, they fit just fine on the tool. So I'm gonna turn the computer on, and I'm gonna show you how to download the logos. Okay, so I'm gonna very quick show you how you can download logos for your Autel tool. So just open your browser and Google. Let's say, for example, I'm looking for BMW logo, and I'm going to put PNG. Okay, so we come up with a few. Let's gonna put images. Okay, so I have a few. Let's say I want. Let's say I usually choose one that has a considerable size, although you don't need to worry too much about the size, because the tool itself it will resize the logo to the correct, to whatever it needs to be. So straight away from here we can see some of them, they are actually PNG files. As you can see, this kind of square blacks at the back, which means all this area is going to be transparent. But let's say, for example, this one, I don't know, some of them doesn't really show if they are PNG or not, but let's say, for example, this one, if this is a PNG file, just wait a few seconds, see if that loads as a PNG. It says in there it is, but have a look. It doesn't look like. Let me see that one. It's too small, really, that one. This one is big. Okay, here is a very good example. So as you can see, it comes at the back with this kind of... So that's how you tell it's a PNG file. all you need to do now is just save the file. I usually do copy, and then I do this. I go to here, and I paste the file. Okay. It's already on this massive size. So I usually just save the file now, and now I save the file as my name, as the name you want, and that's it. And you just put it on the folder you want, and then you just load it into the right folder. So I'm going to show you here on my server all the backups I have. Oh, come on, it's probably just waking up. Okay, so there we go. I do apologize. I'm gonna try to. This is a CRT monitor, so what size there? So as you can see here, I have this splitter like this, and if I go, for example, to Asia, I have all the makers, and as you can see, I have all the logos in here. The reason why you see some makers will have more than one, as you can see, is because you'll have one that is named car.png, then you have one that says car underscore odm.png, and some cars now, they are also having one that's called, let me see if I found one here with it, which is called car underscore odm underscore em100 png. So I have a copy of each one, just rename it with the correct name, and that's it. And that's it, guys, really. There's nothing else really to talk about it on this video. I really hope you have enjoyed the video. If you have any questions, any comments, please put them below. And guys, like always, thank you so much for watching.